Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'll be creating this super bold and sexy full glam blackout smoky eyes with a pop of green on the crease area. So if you want to know how I created this ultra glam black smoky eye look, then please do keep on watching. Make sure to follow me on my Instagram. I post a lot of fun stuff there, and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more such amazing looks from me. So first of all, I'm going to prime my face using the Benefit Professional Primer. So I'm going to apply that on the main areas of my face using my fingertips, and again blend it out using my fingertips. Next, I'm going to color correct my face using the LA Girl Orange Color Corrector. So I'm basically going to apply that to the areas wherever I have hyperpigmentation, such as the dark circles, the pigmentation around my mouth, and also on top of my acne spots. Once I've applied the product, I'm going to take a damp beauty blender to blend out all of the orange color corrector. Then for foundation, I'm taking the Nykaa Skin Shield foundation in two shades, 13 and 11, and I'm going to mix them together on the back of my hand, and I'm going to apply that on my face using a concealer brush like so. And I'm applying a lot because I want a full glam for today's makeup look. And then I'm going to take a buffing brush from PAC and blend the foundation into my skin in gentle dabbing motions. Now to conceal and highlight, I'm taking the PAC Take Cover Concealer in the shade Honey Drop, and I'm gonna apply this concealer wherever I wanna lift and highlight the features of my face. So I'm applying that underneath my eyes, on the bridge of my nose, on my cupid's bow, my chin, on top of my eyelids as a base for my eyeshadow, and also carving out my eyebrows. Then I'm going to take my favorite PAC 212 concealer blending brush to blend out all of the highlighted areas. Now I'm taking the Kiko Stick Concealer in the shade Cocoa to chisel out and contour my features. So I'm just going to apply that under the hollows of my cheeks, on my forehead, on the sides of my forehead, on my jawline, alongside my nose, around my mouth to make them look plumped. Unfortunately, I don't have the footage of me blending out the contour, but yeah, that's what I did. Now I'm going to set everything in place using the Sugar All Set to Go banana powder, and I'm going to bake really well underneath my eyes to catch any eyeshadow fallout and make these areas super matte. Now I'm going to fill in my eyebrows using the L'Oreal Eyebrow Pomade in the shade Ebony. And I'm using the brush that comes along with the packaging, and I'm just going to fill in my eyebrows like I usually do. For eyeshadow, I'm taking my Morphe and Jaclyn Hill 32 eyeshadow palette, and I'm gonna pick up that beautiful teal green shade on a blending brush and apply that on my crease as a transition. Yes, I'm gonna do a green crease for this blackout smoky eyes because I've been meaning to do this look for a very long time, and finally I've got the right time to do it. So I'm just going to blend that eyeshadow thoroughly on my crease because I don't want any harsh lines in my smoky eye. Now I'm going to take the House of Makeup Here to Stay Coal in the shade Noir, which is such a beautiful intense black coal, and I'm going to create a base for my black smoky eye. So I'm just going to scribble that all over my eyelid, and I'm going to keep that underneath the crease of my eyes. If you want to purchase House of Makeup products, you can use my discount code and you can avail 20% off. I'll put the discount code in the description box. You can check it out. Now I've taken this flat eyeshadow brush, which is actually a little bit fluffy on the tip, and I'm using that to blend out the kohl pencil on the crease, because again, you don't want to have any harsh lines in the smoky eye. Now I'm going to take this beautiful intense dark deep black matte eyeshadow from the same palette on the same flat eyeshadow brush, and I'm literally packing the eyeshadow on top of the eyelids really well. Now I'm going to pick up this beautiful dark almost black looking green eyeshadow on a tapered blending brush, and I'm going to blend the edges of the black eyeshadow. And now I'm taking the same Noir pencil from House of Makeup to line my lower waterline and my lower lash line, and also I'm going to line my upper waterline because we don't want any flesh tones peeking through this black smoky eye because it has to be super deep and dark. Now I'm dipping an angled brush on the black eyeshadow, and I'm going to set the lower lash line using that black eyeshadow. Then I'm going to take the teal green shade that I used earlier on the crease on a pencil brush to smudge and smoke out my lower lash line, and I'm also to corners of my eye to the top eyeshadow. Then I brushed off all of the excess powder away, and now I'm going to apply my favorite mascara. This is the Flower Beauty Lash Warrior Mascara, and I'm going to coat my top and bottom eyelashes. I also applied a pair of super dramatic falsies from PAC. These are the Mink eyelashes in M79, and yeah, I just applied them off camera, and these really brought that black smoky eye to life. Now to set the cream contour in place, I'm taking the NYX matte bronzer in the shade Dark Tan, and I'm just applying that bronzer wherever I did the cream contour. I'm taking a blending brush to set the nose contour and the contour around my mouth. Now for blusher, I'm taking the Nykaa Get Cheeky blush in the shade Brazilian Bombshell, and I'm picking up that beautiful corally shade from the duo and popping that on the apples of my cheeks. For highlighter, I'm taking the Nykaa Glow Getter highlighter in the shade Glitterati, and I'm taking that beautiful bronzy highlighter, and I'm spraying some setting spray onto the brush before popping that on the tops of my cheekbones, and that gave me a super blingy bang on highlight on my cheekbones because I wanted to go all out for this look today. I'm taking a smaller highlighting brush to highlight the bridge of my nose and to highlight the inner corners and my brow bone. Moving on to the lips, I'm taking the LA Colors Auto Lip Liner in the shade Cocoa, which is such a beautiful deep dark brown lip liner. I'm gonna overdraw my lips really well for this look. Again, like I said before, I want to go all out for this makeup look. For lipstick, I'm taking my all-time favorite nude lipstick for such dramatic makeup looks, which is the MAC Velvet Teddy lipstick, and it is such a pale, beautiful nude, and I'm just popping that on my entire lips. I definitely wanted to add a bit of glossiness to my lips, so I'm taking the MAC Dazzle Glass and applying that to the centers of my mouth to add some glossiness and juiciness to my lips. Finally, we have to set our makeup in place. For that, I'm using the Flower Beauty Seal the Deal Setting Spray in a matte variant. And I literally went overboard with the spray this day. Oh my god, you can see here how much I used that setting spray to set my makeup. So here is the finished makeup look, which is absolutely super dramatic and bold and sexy, and it is such a beautiful look with a pop of green on the crease. And I really hope that you guys enjoyed watching this video. If you did, please do give this video a huge thumbs up, comment, and do not forget to subscribe to my channel for more such videos from me. Make sure to follow me on my Instagram handle. I post a lot of fun stuffs on my Instagram. I have even posted a fun short tutorial on this particular look on my Instagram. And again, make sure to subscribe for more such amazing videos from me, and I shall see you guys soon in my next video. Bye.